Turn me up,
Just jumped up out the bed, only if it's by some bread. Wait, my nigga in the trap, sent them right to the feds. Hit my shorty on the line, so told her bring a nigga mans. Call the plug on the phone, go and get a couple zips. Mama said that Poppy locked down, got him out of state. He was only 16 with a dirty 38. I was 18, see my nigga whipping up the cake, clicking crack, counting stacks. I was still cuffing plates. I could hit a jug with my nigga for the fun. He don't give a fuck anyway, he on the run. Why you bring a knife to a fight with a gun? Why you hit your bitch if you ain't gon' hit son? That ran up in the homie crib, caught him with a ton. I got a Wayne with a switch on a machine gun. He told me, Wally, if they got it, then it's red rum. But I told them play smarter till they play dumb. My little niggas still respect me like I raised them. Cause that bullshit you told them never saved them. And baby, I'ma need some liquor for the pain, huh? Cause ever since a few died, I remain numb. Just jumped up out the bed, only if it's by some bread. Wait, my nigga in the trap, sent them right to the feds.